What does 15 million pesos look like when it's spent entirely on a single room? Integrated sub-zero tech, Italian craftsmanship, a kitchen that costs more than most luxury SUVs. A 450 million peso asset in Ayala, Alabang isn't just a home. It's 1,600 square meters of strategic capital allocation. Today, we aren't just doing a tour, we are performing a forensic dissection of the 15 million peso kitchen pivot and the engineering behind a 4-story, 8-car basement villa. If you're looking for a sanctuary, call a poet. If you're looking for a trophy asset, watch this. We begin with the land, the only non-depreciating component of the asset. This corner lot occupies a 902 square meter footprint in a premier area of Ayala Alabang village, where inventory is reaching a critical ceiling. Notice the perimeter. We aren't looking at lush greenery. We're looking at a 902 square meter lot optimization strategy designed for maximum privacy and resort-style utility. The side pathways and water features serve as an artistic moat, separating the 1,600 square meter structure from the public gaze. Before you enter, you pass through a portal, hand-carved by Agi Pagkatipunan. In the world of high-end brokerage, this is a scarcity play, integrating legendary Filipino craftsmanship into the primary entrance to solidify the property's trophy status from the first touchpoint. Step into the grand foyer. To your left, a sculptural spiral staircase. However, the real vertical logistics are handled by a Swedish-engineered HD home lift, servicing all 4 levels. In a 1,600 square meter build, mobility is a mechanical necessity for resale value. Now, the 15 million peso room. This is the Poliform Showroom Kitchen. In this asset class, the kitchen is the industrial heartbeat. Integrated sub-zero tech and professional-grade Barazza appliances aren't about cooking. They're about matching the 450 million peso valuation. If the kitchen tech is mid-range, the entire asset devalues. For high-volume operations, we've included a secondary auxiliary kitchen, a fully stainless steel, industrial-grade space designed to handle large-scale catering without compromising the aesthetics of the primary showroom. The second floor features a path of progress layout, emphasizing the double-height void that ensures natural light reaches the deepest corners of the structure, reducing operational cooling costs while enhancing the psychological scale of the space. Each of the 4 bedrooms is a self-contained suite with European hardware and high-spec walk-in closets. In a 1,600 square meter build, the challenge is maintaining a human scale while achieving architectural volume. Notice the verticality in this loft-configured suite. By utilizing high ceilings, the architect has increased the cubic volume of the room, which, paired with the standard inverter AC units, optimizes thermal regulation costs. The floor plan is a multi-generational logistics play. With 6 primary bedrooms and 3 additional utility suites, including a man cave and a gym, the asset offers 100% autonomy for every occupant. This is what we call functional scarcity, a home that adapts to a growing high-net-worth family without requiring future renovation capex. We move on to the master bedroom. This space occupies 70 square meters, a significant footprint within the 1,600 square meters total floor area. The layout prioritizes thermal efficiency and natural light through high-spec imported floor-to-ceiling windows, which include integrated metal screens for security and ventilation. The room is equipped with dedicated inverter AC units to manage the cooling load of such a large volume. From an analyst's perspective, the structural design emphasizes a forensic buy logic, where the recessed ceiling with integrated LED lighting and the premium Nara hardwood flooring add tangible long-term value to the asset. Transitioning to the ensuite master bathroom, we see a heavy emphasis on commercial-grade infrastructure within a residential setting, covering 25 square meters. The technical specifications for this area are top-tier, featuring dual vessel sinks from Villeroy and Boch, and wall-mounted faucets by Dornbracht, brands selected for their durability and engineering precision. The space is finished with large-format Italian porcelain tiles, providing a moisture-resistant and high-value aesthetic. Notable fixtures include a freestanding Villeroy and Boch soaking tub and a walk-in shower enclosed by high-grade tempered glass. The inclusion of a urinal and a concealed cistern toilet further highlights the detailed mechanical and plumbing planning involved in this luxury home. The walk-in closet, which functions as a secondary wing of the master suite, has an area of 50 square meters. The cabinetry reflects high-end modular engineering, following the Poliform standard established in the home's 15 million peso kitchen. The centerpiece is a high-utility island jewelry cabinet, designed with a tinted glass top and multiple felt-lined drawers for organized asset storage. These storage systems utilize high-gloss lacquer finishes and soft-close hardware, ensuring the cabinetry's longevity and functionality for a high-net-worth resident. This entire master wing, totaling approximately 145 square meters, is designed for maximum ROI through its combination of premium imported materials and strategic spatial planning. Let's analyze the sanitary engineering. Most builders cut costs in secondary bathrooms, but in this 450 million peso asset, the quality is continuous. Every ensuite is a portfolio of high-durability Italian tiles and world-class hardware. We are looking at Villeroy and Boch paired with Dornbracht fixtures. In the luxury market, these aren't just nice bathrooms, they are durable assets selected to minimize depreciation. The inclusion of standalone tubs and walk-in glass-enclosed rain showers across all major suites establishes a wellness moat that protects the property's floor price in the secondary market. A trophy asset must handle the logistical needs of its owners. The walk-in closet systems here are a direct extension of the Poliform philosophy found in the kitchen. These high-gloss, floor-to-ceiling storage units aren't just cabinetry. They are logistics-optimized infrastructure for high-value collections. Combined with a dedicated shoe room and linen room, the home eliminates the clutter tax found in standard builds. By allocating specific square footage to specialized storage, the property maximizes its 1,600 square meter footprint for living rather than just housing possessions. But let's look at the third level, the attic. In 2026, a luxury asset must be a self-contained ecosystem. This is a full-scale wellness hub featuring a professional-grade gym and a custom sauna by Zion Philippines. We aren't selling a gym, we're selling a 1,600 square meter lifestyle that rewards the bold. Analyzing the fourth-level utility and leisure space of this property, we observe a strategic allocation of the 1,600 square meters total floor area toward high-yield entertainment zones. The attic level, which integrates a gym, sauna, and entertainment area, transitions seamlessly into an expansive outdoor roof deck, which occupies a significant footprint at 220 square meters, providing an elevated vantage point that is highly desirable in the Ayala Alabang market. The structural integrity and material selection reflect a commitment to durability in high-exposure environments. The flooring utilizes high-spec, non-slip outdoor tiles, imported porcelain, which offers superior resistance to thermal expansion and water penetration, critical for maintaining the asset's value over time. These are complemented by a section of premium synthetic turf, adding a low-maintenance leisure element without compromising the building's drainage efficiency. The use of natural stone cladding on the structural pillars further reinforces the luxury modern aesthetic, while providing a robust finish against the elements. A key technical highlight is the extensive use of imported sliding doors and windows, which feature integrated metal screens for enhanced security and ventilation. The glass is of a heavy-gauge, tempered variety, designed to meet the structural demands of a 4-story elevation while offering high thermal insulation. The perimeter is secured by a frameless glass balustrade system, which maximizes the path of progress views toward the Alabang skyline without obstructing the visual flow of the space. This combination of high-grade glazing and resilient flooring ensures that the roof deck functions not just as a lifestyle amenity, but as a long-term, low-depreciation component of the total 1,600 square meter floor area. Finally, the swimming pool. The external aquatic assets of this property are strategically positioned within the 902 square meter corner lot to maximize privacy and utility while minimizing maintenance overhead. The swimming pool serves as a primary feature of the landscaped garden, featuring a linear design that extends 11 meters in length, with a uniform depth of 1.2 to 1.5 meters. This configuration is optimized for both fitness-oriented lap swimming and low-impact leisure. The integration of a dedicated jacuzzi section and a vertical waterfall feature wall adds a level of sophisticated hydraulic engineering that enhances the property's overall market valuation. The pool deck area is constructed using premium imported timber, selected for its high resistance to UV degradation and moisture-induced warping, which is a critical consideration for tropical real estate assets. This material choice ensures a long-term ROI by reducing the frequency of resurfacing and maintenance cycles typical of lower-grade wooden decks. The seamless transition from the large lanai area to the pool deck reflects a cohesive architectural plan that treats outdoor spaces as high-value extensions of the 1,600 square meter floor area. In terms of material finishes, the swimming pool is lined with high-density, low-porosity tiles, consistent with the premium Italian tiles specified for all bathrooms throughout the residence. The color palette of the tiles is chosen to enhance water clarity and reflect natural light, while the structural perimeter utilizes natural stone cladding for the waterfall feature. The use of high-end materials, including the same standard of excellence found in the Villeroy and Bach and Dornbracht fixtures in the interior, ensures that the external wet areas meet the rigorous standards of a forensic buy analysis. Whether it's the 15 million peso kitchen, the Agi Pagkatipunan sculpted entry, the Wellnes Zion sauna, or the 220 square meter roof deck entertainment area, every square meter of this home has been analyzed to anticipate market desire before it's even felt. For more information and to schedule a private and discreet VIP viewing for this home, you may get in touch with us via our contact details in the description. Go to our channel for full-length educational and data-driven videos on Southern Metro Manila real estate. Visit our website for a list of various curated properties in the South. Email us if you would like to buy, sell, or lease properties. Till then, we'll see you in the South.